Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.
It's Sofia.
And I'm JayReece. Today is Friday, March 1st, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
Today is the deadline for the multicultural event audition forms. Actual auditions are March 5th. All participating members must be present for the performance. Casual clothing or performance attire is acceptable. Please have appropriate performance music ready and edited if necessary.
Do you like to read?
No, how about you?
Nah, not me either. But if you do, then check out the new read for the Project Lit Community Book Club, The 57 Bus. This is the second book the club is reading this year. Tahoma TV reporter Joanne has the details on how you can join.
Ms. Van Dyke is hosting another book club and tells us what the book is about.
The 57 Bus by Dashka Slater, and it's about an agender teen who is set on fire on a public bus in Oakland.
It will be open to anyone and everyone. Lana and them recently checked it out.
I decided to be in the book club because, I wanted to try something new and be more, involved with school. And I like reading.
Go and pick up the book today. This is the second book this year for the Project Lit Community Book Club. I'm Joanne with Tahoma TV.
Hey Jay, what are your plans after graduation?
I don't really know like that. I hope I can do music, but if not, I want to own like my own barbershop or something. But that's kind of far because I'm a freshman and all.
Yeah.
But what about you?
Well, I'm hopefully doing Running Start, and I want to major in criminal justice. And after I graduate with my bachelor or with my associates, I'll be going to the academy.
You trying to be 12?
Huh?
You trying to be 12?
No, what? Yeah, no. I don't know what you mean. If you're a senior, Tahoma Community College is a great option. It's hosting an all-senior night campus visit on Tuesday, March 5th. You can pick up the permission slips in the Career Center.
Students, our school needs your suggestions on how to use the $10,000 grant. It's given by the Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department to improve our school. Student suggestions only. Eventually, there will be a student vote form at the top of the 10 top ideas.
Who's your favorite teacher or principal?
Of all time?
Yeah, of all time.
Alright, so I'll say my 5th grade teacher, Miss Hartley, because she was that one. But she knew me since I was a little kid and all.
Okay.
So
yeah.
How about you?
My all time is have to be my 6th grade teacher. Cause she was just she was more than a teacher for me. She was a friend. She was there for me whenever I needed help.
Yeah, I feel that. That.
I know Mr. Park is tops of the list. That's why today we're spotlighting him. Have a listen.
Yes, I'm Nick Parks. I'm the Dean of Students, and my experience at Mount Tahoma has been very positive. I spent most of my teaching career working in alternative education, so this has been my first working experience in a big comprehensive high school like this. But I just love it here. I love kind of the position we have within our community. I love the diversity of our building. I love going to T-Bird athletic events, and I love coaching T-Bird sports. So just a great place to be.
That's gonna anchor. Today's question is, pick yourself out of hell. Go phoneless for a day or homeless for a day?
You wanna go first?
No,
okay, I'll go first. Phoneless, cause I'd rather give up my phone than my home. What about you?
I don't know. It kind of depends because I don't know. It depends on what kind of homeless you're talking about. If you're talking about being bummy homeless, you ain't got no clothes, you ain't got no nothing, you know.
There's another definition of homeless.
I mean, there's 2 ways you can be homeless. You can not go home and be homeless. Okay, I can go phoneless too because I've did it before. It's like being in trouble.
Yeah, exactly.
But being homeless, but I can still have my phone so I can contact people. So that's not saying I can't go to somebody else's home. That's just saying I can't go to my home. So it's different outlets to.
Okay.
So
well,
yeah.
Which one would you choose?
I think I'll probably have to go phone this though because I use a tablet. It's not a phone.
Well, that is it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Sophia.
And I'm JayReece. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great weekend.